Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We are back with another Let's Niche Down video, and we have two keywords, which is sunset and rabbit. We're going to go ahead and get into the video. Today I'll be using Amazon just to do a little bit of research. The first thing I'm going to do is just type in the word sunset and let's see what Amazon pulls up for us. We're looking for like journals, we're looking for t-shirts and things like that. I don't see anything like that here. I'm going to hit a space and let's see if there's anything else that comes up in that area. I'm going to go ahead and type in journal. I see Sunset Journal hardcover, Sunset Journal notebook. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Sunset Journal. And right now it says 40,000 search results for Sunset Journal. We can scroll down and check out a few of these. And then I want to go back up, and I want to change it to books. So we can see if there's more or less. It might be more. It's about the same. This is large. When you have something like this, and you want to niche down, we're going to go ahead and add in a place. I want to go to Bali. I'm going to put in Bali Sunset Journal. This is how you get niche specific and you niche down. We're going to go Bali Sunset Journal. And you have 100, okay? There's an I Love Bali notebook, 150 pages. That's sold. That one up there. This one is sold as well for $4.25. You have a few Bali journals, all right? That is how you niche down. Let's see if there's any place else you want to go. Bora Bora. Let's look up Bora Bora Sunset Journal. About 16 search results. Let's see if any of these have sold. So far, none of these have sold yet. That's just something to keep your eye on, okay? Maybe you can change this design, do better keywords, and make a sale here. But you see what you have to work with. The other keyword is rabbit. We're just going to go back to the beginning. And I'm going to go ahead and put rabbit in. Oh, spelled it wrong. There you go. We have rabbit. I'm looking to see if I see anything that says t-shirts or journals. I say rabbit. I see rabbit with a gun shirt. We'll check that out since this is the only thing that has rabbit and shirt. We see a lot of rabbit and gun, Top Gun, beautiful roses, things like that. It's about 421 search results in all. And let's go to clothing and apparel and let's search there. We have about 345 with the keywords rabbit with a gun shirt. Looks like these have made sales. Niching down and looking at something different. Not every rabbit shirt has a gun, but I'm guessing from the keywords it was probably easy to get rank here. We niche down from rabbit to rabbit with a gun shirt. That was basically advertised by Amazon. It kind of help us to find a niche. I hope these videos help you guys learn how to research. It's not really about the keywords that I use. It's teaching you how to niche down, to find different niches to start to upload in. Use these techniques to research for your upcoming Q4 and new design. Until next time. I hope you're enjoying my content and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.